Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial of Electrical Pro, a software solution for the electrical engineers. So today we're gonna see how Electrical Pro gonna solve an electrical problem in solar energy installation, like the solar installation of grid. So we're gonna see the calculation of the number of batteries required to operate the electrical system of your home during the night. So here's the example. So here we have the panel, we have the solar inverter, and we have the batteries, and we have to choose carefully the number of batteries required to feed our installation, which is 1000 watts during, for example, 4 hours at night. So as you can see here, so we have the power of the AC installation, which is 1000 watts, and we have the number of hours operating at night, which is 4 hours. So here we have the characteristic of the battery that we have choose. So here the voltage battery equal to 12 volt, and we have the capacity equal to 190 ampere hour. And now we want to calculate the energy of one battery. So we have the energy of battery, which equal to the voltage battery, which is 12 volt, multiplied by the capacity, which equal to 190 ampere hour. So now we're gonna start the calculation on the Electrical Pro. So we can calculate the energy of the battery. We can suppose like the voltage amp is equivalent to the energy of the battery, and the amps is the capacity. And of course we can do this calculation only in one phase mode. So now we're gonna start the calculation. So first of all we have to clear all. So we're gonna click on set and then on clear all. And now we have to switch on one phase mode. So we're gonna click on set and then on one. So as you can see, we are in one phase mode. And now we can start the calculation of the energy of one battery. So first of all, we're gonna enter the voltage battery, which equal to 12 volt. So we have 12 and volts. And now we're gonna enter the capacity, which is 190 ampere hour. So 190 ampere hour. And now we're gonna click on voltage amps so we can find out the energy of one battery. So as you can see, we have the energy of one battery equal to 2280 watt hour. And we're gonna store this value so we can use it in the next equation. So we're gonna click on store and then on 1. And now we're gonna use the energy of the battery that we have calculated so we can find the number of the batteries of the whole installation. So we have the number of batteries of the whole installation, which equal to the power of the AC installation, which equal to 1000 watts, multiplied by the number of hour, which equal to 4 hours at night, split by the energy of one battery that we have calculated, which equal to 2280 watt hour, and all of this is plus 1. This plus 1 is for increase the value of the number of the battery. So we're gonna enter the power of the AC installation, which equal to 1000 watt, and we're gonna multiply this value by the number of hours, which is 4 hours. So here we have 4000, and we're gonna split this value by the energy of one battery. So the energy of the one battery that we have saved in the storage one. So for bring this value, we have to click on LCL and 1. As you can see, we have 2280. And now we're gonna click on equal. As you can see, we have 1.75. So we're gonna add 1 to this value, as we said, for increase the value of the number of the battery. So plus 1 equal 2.75. So the value that we have to take is 2. So here we're gonna use 2 batteries, and each batteries have 12 volts and 190 ampere hour in capacity. Thank you for your attention, and see you in the next tutorial.